Are you ready for a cost-effective, successfully proven innovation in pain relief? You need wait no longer. Introducing the Kesh Pain Pad. Using plasma technology, which is based on magnetic gravitational field interaction, the Kesh Pain Pad emits plasma fields that penetrate up to 3 centimeters below the skin, helping to bring the body back to balance. The Kesh Pain Pad offers a natural way to relieve acute and chronic pain for both young and old. All you have to do is apply the pad on affected areas for 1 or 2 hours once or twice a day. It's made with adaptive elastics that can form organically and comfortably to the contours of your body. It has no moving parts or batteries, it's lightweight, durable, easy to wear, and easy to remove. The Kesh Pain Pad successfully reduces muscular pain, tendinitis, wrist pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, back pain, pain from sprains and strains, and knee pain, just to name a few. For a full list of treatable pains, consult the owner's manual or go to our website at www.keshfoundation.org. The Kesh Pain Pad, a cost-effective, successfully proven, natural way to treat your pain.